Turn on the UV lamp for sterilization. Take out the components of the kit. Take the cracking bonding plate and put it into the biosafety cabinet. Tear off the sealing plate film. Add the sample to the cracking bonding plate. This rehearsal is simulated with one sample, and the actual operation is mainly based on the actual sample. Put the pyrolysis bonding plate containing the sample into the instrument station 1. Put the magnetic bead plate into station 2. Put the elution plate into station 6. Insert the magnet sleeve into the card slot. Close the hatch. Select the required extraction program and start running. The instrument runs for about 12 minutes. After the procedure, take out the elution plate. The nucleic acid is retained in the eluent, and then proceed to the next experiment. Clean the instrument and close the hatch. UV sterilization. End of extraction.